Wait, don't get too excited, guys.
Okay, wait a minute.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. We meet again. FactionFab. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today?
Coilovers on the WRX.
Oh, look, you sound so professional. Today we are installing these coilovers FactionFabs. About to jack up the WRX on all four. This is gonna be more like a comparison from stock height to coil height. I don't know how much she wants to drop. She wants to kill the gap. So this is the gap that we're dealing with, which is about 2.5 fingers, and she wants to drop. I think dropping maybe an inch. Alright guys, we are about to start putting these stupid ass coilovers on right now, buddy. Nah, I'm just playing. So we're about to start. Heaven, I'm gonna try to get Heaven to do this stuff because it's her car and she wants to learn how to do it. So she's gonna start taking the wheels off right now. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do right now. I'll be helping her and all that stuff, but patience. She's learning. Let her try. And then if she can't do it, then that's why I'm here. Okay. I'm not a professional, but I've done this a couple of times. Well, me and Jose have done this a lot. A 19. Here.
Is this one in it?
No, you need your key.
Oh.
It's over here. So here's the 19. Here's your key, and you're gonna put that on the key in there.
On. This?
Yeah, and then put the 19 on the key. Yeah, you have the key in there.
Is this backwards? Yeah.
Yeah, it is backwards. And then now put the gun. It'd probably be easier if you just put it on like that. Just push it in there. Okay. I'm gonna pause the video right there and just explain what's going on. We're basically just gonna do a time lapse on doing the coils. Something happened when we were putting that first coil in. The original strut got stuck when we were trying to pull it out. Whoever put like those struts in probably put them in wrong, or just there could have been like some type of damage on the strut mount that made it seized up, or the nuts, not the nuts, but the threads could have got seized up and made the strut like not able to come out properly. So when we were doing that, when we were pulling it down, I had the wheel speed sensor off, but it was still connected to the caliper. So I guess when we were pulling it down, it kind of like cut it a little or tugged on it, which threw off all these codes and stuff. But we got it fixed and everything. It's perfectly fine now. So I just wanted to explain why we did a time lapse. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just keep on watching. I'll let you guys get back to the video right now. Okay, so we have all the coils in. We just did a super time lapse on it because your boy didn't want to explain everything. We have all of them. And then now what we're gonna do is just put the wheels on and adjust it from there and see how she likes the fitment. All right, guys, we are done. Now we're gonna drop it and see where we're at. See how, what the difference is with these coils on the stock height of the coils. And then we'll see what she wants to do. We'll see how much of more does she want to go lower. I say probably another half of an inch, and then it should be good. But we'll see in a minute. You think so? Moment of truth, motherfuckers. Wait, don't get too excited, guys. Wow.
Okay, wait a minute.
Yeah. So we're probably at a finger and a half. I think that's good.
Yeah, I think that's
I
good.
think that's good. I don't think you.
What do you think about the back?
Nah, it's gonna settle.
This is what we're at right now. We still got to let the coil settle. Yeah, the stock height. So, yeah, she's looking good right now. So guys, what do you guys think of how low the WRX is now? It looks really good. Drop a comment down below what you guys think, and if you guys like it, hit that like button. Bitch, that thing ain't low. This thing, look at this shit. This shit is low. This shit is tuck. She stands right now. Dang. You're gonna be breaking people's necks tomorrow. She'll be like, damn, what the fuck happened? Shit, you know what happened?
You know what the fucking deal is around this bitch?
Shit, my boy Sean hooked it up. He said, we slamming it. How do you like it?
I love it. I love it, honestly.
Now you know the stance life for a little bit. Yeah, it's the sound of my people. What's up, guys? It's been a couple of days. It's just been a couple of days. So I'm gonna basically in the video show you guys what the WRX looks like. My hands are dirty. Yeah. But anyways, show you guys what the WRX looks like so we can end this video. We also fixed the Christmas light problem because when we were putting the new strut in, or the new coil in, I guess we ripped or stretched the wheel speed sensor, which is right here. This is the old one. We ripped it. There's like a little nick. It's so crazy that a little thing like that will throw off everything. We had a transmission light, we had engine lights, we had oil light, like crazy. I guess it's just because of different variations of her settings to change from intelligent mode, sport mode, and sport plus and all that stuff. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you the vehicle since we're in a gas station with nice lights and you guys can see what it really looks like. Why you run away? They know what you look like. You were in the... Oh my god. But I think the coils have finally settled and this is the right height we're looking at, which is probably a finger. Looks really good. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like how the WRX looks, give it a thumbs up. But this is what she looks like. Super dope. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog coming out soon.